Hello everyone, my name is Renato and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a stop motion film. When I was 9 years old, I discovered there was a way to make some objects to move. A sequence of frames plated together to give the illusion of life or movement to any object is called stop motion. It was created in 1898 by Edwin Porter. There are many kinds of stop motion. For example, cut-out motion, that is moving papers, puppet animation, that is moving puppets, claymation, that is moving clay, and brick film, that is to move a Lego. Stop motion techniques are the same in all of them. It is used everywhere, from advertising to movies. Some great examples are Coraline or even the first movie of Star Wars. In fact, it is a very old technique. My advice is to be very patient because this process can take you hours or even days. It depends on the quantity of photos and the length of the video. Keep in mind you have to be very patient. Take a break and do not get stressed. For example, I used 4,000 photos in my last project.
Oh my god!
First, download this app. It is very helpful and free. You will need a tripod, a phone or anything that can take a photo, a desk lamp, a stable and flat surface to have a complete control of the movement. Then, if you want, you can draw something to have an idea of what to do. Now choose the object you want to move. I have chosen a Lego and I'll be working with him. Determine the start and the end of the action and start moving progressively your object. You will have to move it and then take the photo and repeat this process until reaching the final point. If you want to have a slow movement, take a lot of photos and move your object carefully. While if you want a quick movement, you will only have to take less photos. Never move it sharply. Now I will teach you how to make a character walk. If you lift the right hand, he will have to alternate it with stepping ahead with the left leg. And that's it, it's very simple. You can use any video editor, but now I will be using this one. Your video will not have any audio, so you will need to add it apart. You can press the T and add text and move it along the video as so. By pressing this wand, you can add video effects. And finally, with that musical note, you will be able to add audio and music.
Force is strong.